Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple browse abandonment products in Klaviyo so your emails show all the items a visitor recently looked at. This is a great way to increase sales and get people back to your store. Step 1. Make sure Klaviyo is tracking your store. First, make sure Klaviyo is installed and connected to your Shopify store. The Browse tracking feature needs to be active so Klaviyo can see which products your visitors are viewing. Step 2. Create a Browse abandonment flow. Go to Flows in Klaviyo and click Create Flow Browse Abandonment. You can also use a pre-built template. Set the trigger to Viewed Product so anyone who browses your products will enter the flow. Step 3. Add an email to the flow. Now, add an email action to your flow and click Edit. This is where the products will show up in the message. Step 4. Insert a product block. In the email editor, drag in a Browse Abandonment or product block. In the block settings, choose Max Products to Display, usually 3 to 5, Layout, Grid or Single Column. Klaviyo will automatically pull the products each visitor recently viewed. Step 5. Set a fallback. It's a good idea to set a fallback product in case a visitor didn't view enough items. You can pick a featured product or collection that you want to promote. Step 6. Test your email. Click Preview, then enter Test Profile. Check that all the products appear correctly with images, names, and links. Step 7. Activate your flow. Now, visitors who browse multiple products will get a personalized email showing all the items they checked out, helping drive more sales. And that's it. You successfully set up multiple browse abandonment products in Klaviyo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.